Hi kitchen lovers, we are going to bake today a very easy pasta casserole. It is cheesy, beefy and very delicious, and it contains one of my homemade tomato sauce. If you take out the beef from the ingredients, it can be easily applied to vegan style and it is very delicious in both styles. I assure you to taste and make this super easy but delicious casserole. I am sauteing 2 thin peppers and 1 onion as you see, and I added 300 grams of ground beef and a tablespoon of tomato paste. And now I am going to open our homemade tomato sauce. Use a knife to give some air into the bottle and it will be easily opened, and I'm adding this tomato sauce as you see. If you still didn't watch my tomato sauce, I will leave a link below. As you see, I added the tomato sauce and I added 500 grams of tube-shaped pasta. As this dish doesn't need to be draining, I am going to stir all the ingredients in the same pot. And now I am adding 3 cloves of garlic into this pasta. I will just stir it and add water. I used hot water as you see. I don't know whether the water is enough or not. I am going to eat my pasta and decide whether it needs more water or not, because I want it to be al dente. By the way, I added some salt and black pepper powder and red pepper powder, and I stirred again as you see. Now I am closing the lid on and turning down the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. I am going to check my pasta by eating it because I want it to be al dente, as I am going to continue to cook it in the oven. Yes, I think it's okay, and I'm turning down the heat. Now I'm transferring some of my pasta into a casserole dish. If you cook this pasta in a saucepan which is appropriate for using in the oven, it will lessen your dirty dishes. You can immediately eat this pasta, but it will get better in the oven and it will be extremely delicious. And at this point you can top it with some mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Make the second layer of pasta and then add the remaining shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese on top of the pasta. Now it is going to be baked in the oven for 15 minutes more at 200 Celsius degrees, or let's say until the cheese melts appropriately. You can leave it in the oven until you get the golden brown color of the cheese, but it is enough for me and I am eating it with my melted cheddar, cassarole or mozzarella. You can see how cheesy and delicious it is, and one plate is never enough for this casserole. If you like this video, please thumbs up and make a comment in the comment section below. Have a nice day, enjoy your meal.